I'm Deb Koehler. I'm Director of Sustainability for Solid Ink Products, and I'm here where I work on the beautiful Wilsonville, Oregon campus to tell you about the environmental benefits of Solid Ink products, and also give you a few tips on how you can reduce waste in your office. When you think about waste that's generated in your office, what comes to mind? Here at Xerox, with our Solid Ink technology, we're focused on helping our customers reduce the amount of waste generated in their office. This giant pile of trash is what's created from just one laser printer over a 4-year life. 450 pounds. This smaller pile, 23 pounds, is what's generated by a Solid Ink printer over that same 4-year life. 450 pounds or 23 pounds? What would you want to be responsible for generating? What do you consider when you think about the environmental footprint of a product? Most people just consider the power coming down the cord. What isn't apparent are all the other impacts associated with manufacturing of the product and the supplies over the lifetime. Each of these contributes to the overall picture. So it's really important to consider all these factors if you truly want to evaluate the environmental footprint of a product. I've talked a lot about the environmental impacts, but what does that mean to you? We wanted to evaluate a Solid Ink printer versus a conventional laser. So we conducted a full life cycle environmental impact study. And we really wanted these results to be credible. So we asked a third-party expert, the Rochester Institute of Technology, to check our work. And the results are that the Solid Ink printer has a smaller carbon footprint, uses less energy over the life cycle, conserves raw materials, and produces 90% less waste. Solid Ink technology has been around for a long time, well over a decade. And in those 10 years, we've reduced the energy consumption of our Solid Ink products by more than 75%. And with the latest ink formulation, we've reduced the energy consumption by an additional 14%. All Solid Ink products come with a power management feature called Intelligent Ready. And what that does is it learns your behavior over time and adapts accordingly. So for example, if you come in and start printing around 9 o'clock, it's up and ready to go for you. And if you finish off your last print, say around 4:30 or 5, then it goes down into its lowest power mode, saving energy while you're not using it. When you're getting ready to purchase your next office product, one of the most powerful things that you can do to help the environment is to make sure that that product is ENERGY STAR certified. What that means is that it's gone through a rigorous set of tests outlined by the US EPA. And on average, products that are ENERGY STAR compliant save 30% more energy than products that aren't. One of the other environmental benefits of Solid Ink products is that they run really well on any kind of paper. So you can use recycled content, you can use our own high-yield business paper, which is a paper that's made from a different pulping process, and it uses half the amount of wood, half the amount of energy, and still looks great with a Solid Ink printer. As I've talked about today, there are many small things that you can do in your office that will have a big impact on the environment. Choosing to do things like use both sides of the paper, scanning and sharing your documents electronically, and also making sure that your products are ENERGY STAR qualified. And don't forget about our big pile of trash. When you're considering your next printer or MFP purchase, make sure you consider new technologies like Solid Ink that will help reduce your impact on the environment. Thanks for listening. Good luck with your waste reduction. I'm Deb Koehler with Xerox.